How to clean, sanitize, and disinfect garden tools. Cleaning tools helps keep the garden safe and healthy for everyone. To clean garden tools, first use a brush, cleaner, and running water to remove dirt from the tools. Make sure to clean the entire tool. Sanitizers do not work if the tools are dirty. Second, use the sanitizer to spray the entire tool. Sanitizer kills bacteria. Leave the tools to dry for a few minutes. Third, bring the tools back to where they belong. Always put on your mask before entering the tool shed. Put the tool back in its proper place. Use the disinfectant to spray the entire tool. Disinfectant kills viruses. Do not touch the tool again after disinfecting. Wash or sanitize your hands. Thank you for keeping our garden safe.